This place comes straight from a fairy tale, with beautiful palaces, rough nature, incredible wealth, and a prince as head of state.
In between Austria and Switzerland, there is a tiny country with a population of less than 40,000 people. They have beautiful mountains and castles, and I don't know anything about it. This is Liechtenstein.
The country is only 25 kilometers long, meaning you can look from the north to the south in one view. It consists of 66% mountains, and the flatland lies here in this valley. But everything west of the River Rhine is Switzerland. Yes, Liechtenstein is small. They got open borders with Austria and Switzerland, and it's even possible to enter the country by an old wooden bridge. The capital city is Vaduz and only has 5,500 inhabitants and lies on the Swiss border. Now you can imagine how small the flatland of Liechtenstein is. One of the must-sees in Vaduz is the parliament building. Although the country is a principality, power is shared between the Prince of Liechtenstein and a democratically elected parliament. Other highlights are the Cathedral of St. Floris and the cute houses in the Mitteldorf neighborhood. And by the way, it seems like everyone here has a private vineyard.
If you Google Liechtenstein, you'll find this beautiful picture of a castle, and from a road you'll see the castle, and on the background a lot of beautiful mountains. It's the highlight of the country, so check it out. It's under construction.
We came at the wrong moment, because the house of the prince got its first renovation in 100 years. Fortunately, there are other nice surprises in the country. For example, the license plates. They're black and it looks awesome. Furthermore, I got crowned as the new monarch of Liechtenstein, and
So Liechtenstein is not in the European Union, but they are in Schengen. So they have open borders with Switzerland and Austria. But to get a stamp, you can go to the information center, and for 3 francs you can get the stamp.
Liechtenstein is the second wealthiest country in the world, and the cheapest accommodation is 140 euros a night. So we stay at the country's only camping, and it serves perfectly as headquarters for our adventures here. To get some rest after the hectic city life of the capital, we visit the stunning castle and drive into the mountains.
Even though Liechtenstein is a very small country, tourism is big. I'm here in summer, and a lot of people come here to go hiking, to go into the mountains. And in winter, a lot of people come here to go snowboarding and skiing. I'm in a ski resort called Malbon. It's very cute, it's in the middle of the mountains. One of the lifts is open now, so I'm going up and enjoy the view.
The lift takes us to a height of 2,000 meters, and the view from up here is mind-blowing. This mountain actually is the border between Liechtenstein and Austria, so everything behind it is Austrian territory. Imagine living here, waking up with the view on the mountains every day. Our time here is done. While you take a last look at the valley, I want to ask you a question. I want to grow this channel so I can eventually focus fully on making videos like these. My goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by the 1st of March 2024. It would mean a lot to me if you consider subscribing, and I would like to ask you to share my content with people who might like my videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.